2019 Dodge Charger HEMI, 5.7 liter, beautiful blue color, got the stripes, still got all the original converters. It's only got 4,000 miles on it. Comes with a factory X pipe. Then we did a resonator delete or mid muffler delete. Still left the active exhaust on there. And then he's going to bring it back and we're going to do a rear resonator delete later down the road, maybe in a couple of weeks. He just wants to see what this one will sound like. Right here, we put a 3-inch setup on it. We took them off and put 3-inch in their place. Looks beautiful. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you. This is what came off of it. Absolute beautiful color. One of my favorite colors is the blue. Hope you guys like it too. HEMI. You ain't got a HEMI. And that's how it's done.